Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm going over The Dance by Garth Brooks. Classic country song. It has so many million views on YouTube. I mean, I think it's over 50 million. Anyway, this is a great classic country song. And it's different ways we can play it. We only have one bar chord, so the chords are easy. We can either strum it or we can try to pick it closer to the album. So let's start with the easy way first. So we got the intro. We can do that first. So that's G, C, C, G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's do that again. G, C, G, C, G, A, C, G. Okay. And then for when the verse starts, you can strum like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. C. Minor, 1, 2, E minor, 2, F sharp, that's a D with F sharp in the bass. If you can't play that, just play D major, but this is what it is. So 1, first finger, second fret, low E, second finger on G, third finger on B. It's a great chord to learn anyway. This comes up a lot of times in songs. Okay, so that's the verse, and then we got the chorus. C major, D major. Now we got a bar chord, a B minor. So second fret, 4, 4, 3. C, D major, E minor, C, D. Intro. Okay, so that's all the chords, and that's the form too. That's the intro, verse, chorus. And then intro again, shorter I believe, and then verse, chorus. So let's go over a little more advanced picking. So it sounds like it's being played like this. So from the G, we're grabbing a C with G in the bass. So you got first and second finger free, so that's gonna go on first fret C and first fret B, and second fret D. And then you take that shape and you move it to 4, 2, and then G. Okay, and I'm picking 6, 4, 3, 2. start singing, we're playing the same thing. And then we go to the C, and we want to play something like. That's 1, 3, and open E. Now I'm picking 5, 4, and then I grab that melody. And then over D, something like that. Open E to 2, to sus, to D major. Again. Now this time E minor, F sharp, and then we strum over the chorus. Cool, The Dance. Wonderful song. Alright guys, I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome songs. Thank you and be safe.